Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat. This is Carl Lewis, your host from Vision 33, and my guest today will be Dave Gutman from Boyum, and we'll be talking about inventory movement with Produmex. We've noticed over the last year or so that as the pandemic hit, a lot of people expanded their e-commerce businesses. They have dramatically increased the pressure and the requirements of their warehouse, shipping, receiving, packing, picking, all of those things. And Produmex is the solution that we recommend for that at Vision 33 with our good partners at Boyum. So Dave from Boyum, Dave Gutman, is going to be our presenter. We are seeing your screen, Dave, and we're hearing you loud and clear. Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat.
It's great to be here, Carl. Thanks so much for having me. Again, my name's Dave Gutman with Boyum Solutions, and I'm going to give you guys a short introduction to Produmex, and then we'll show a real quick transaction, and be glad to then open it up to questions. We're going to try to keep this kind of fast-paced, but there's a lot of content here, so here it goes. Quick word about Boyum. If you're not familiar with us, we are a multi-award winning software solution provider. Been in the SAP channel for as long as there's pretty much been an SAP channel, I think. We go back ages with the Vision 33 team, and we're glad to be partnering with them and seeing how we can find ways to work together and help you guys as well. So I wanted to introduce some of the business technology behind the Produmex WMS. And as many of you know who are dealing with customer compliance requirements, GS1 standards are really at the core of making sure that your barcode can be read by your customers' scanners and vice versa. So the core of what Produmex WMS does is adhere to our GS1 standards. Now, we can make this as simple or as sophisticated as you need. And one of the things you'll see in the upper right are a variety of different barcode types. This gets very complicated and detailed. And let's just remember, it's our job between Vision 33 and the Boyum team to make sure that we're taking the elements of this that you need for your business and applying it directly and making this as seamless as possible. So with that, talk very briefly about some of these GS1 standards. There's standards for pallets, what we call an SSCC. There's standards for a product, oftentimes called a UPC or a GTIN. There's standards for physical locations around the